Okay, welcome to the call, guys. I want to show you real quick. We now have direct linking between Zimmwriter and AIMasher. Basically, you grab the webhook off AIMasher, put it in Zimmwriter, and you're ready to go. So I'll just quickly go over how it's done. Scroll down this Canva map here. So we're going to create a webhook in AIMasher. You go to Article Publisher, click on that, and click on the webhook creator, and then you'll choose Zimmwriter. Hit the update button, and it puts a link in here. Okay, and then you copy the URL to your clipboard, and then we go down to Zimmwriter and bring up the bulk writer, and we're going to go into webhook enabled. So you'll click here, paste that link, that webhook right here, give it a name. I named it AIMasher Direct Link, and then save that new webhook. And then once that's done, you're going to exit out of that screen, and then you're going to go into your bulk writer. So this is active, and you're going to put in all your stuff, choose your settings, and the only image that it's going to pull across is the featured image. So this is the note here. You don't need to create any subheading images. They're not going to show up on the webhook model. It only transfers the featured image. So do that, and you can add images real easily. If you're using stock images in AIMasher, it doesn't cost you anything to do that. And then you hit Start Bulk Writer, and it will automatically transfer everything into AIMasher for you. So the result is that you can run 20, you can run 200 blog post titles, and they'll all end up in the My Articles section of AIMasher. Now that's where the real power comes in, to edit and do everything that you want before you publish to your WordPress site. So let me just kind of go over some brief ideas of what you can do with, well, things that you could do with AIMasher before you actually publish. This is the most important thing, I think. Edit any article with full HTML AI editor. Now, why is that important? Is sometimes AI gets it wrong. Sometimes Zimmwriter goes off on a tangent, or it's just not the article you write. We want to review all of our articles first. So you have a full HTML editor, and you can use AI to rewrite any paragraph very quickly and very easily. Okay. You can also add new content. This is the time where you might want to put in mentions or links to your other properties, your other sites. You can move content around with little drag bars. Very easy to use. This is a very powerful editor, and we use it daily. And also, you really want to put an eyeball on the site before you make it public. We add a meta summary. There is the ability to click a link, and it will read your entire article, and then it will summarize it into a 100-word or 200-word summary based on a journalistic style. So we have TMZ, Fox News, The Guardian, and we even have an Amazon review. So if you have a product listing, you can do an Amazon review summary of that article. And from there, you can create a voiceover. You can do a voiceover from the summary, or you can even do a full audio read of the article. You can add images. We've got it set up so you can add featured images, in-content images. You can move images around. You can delete images if you got some in there you don't like. Or you can add your own collection of pictures. We have media packs. And then we have a library of stock images that you can put in there. We also have the ability to read your article and find the perfect YouTube video to go at the bottom of your article. It's amazing as how it just almost matches perfectly with it. You can publish to multiple sites and export. You can run templates on batches. So if you have certain things that you want to do on all articles going to a certain site, you just assign it the template and it will run automatically for you. And if you have the agency license, you can add helpful content, listicles, and even CTAs on there. You can swap out text. We have an anchor text link replacement package in there, and you can schedule to publish. This is probably one of the most popular things that we have, is you can schedule up to a year away to go to any of your WordPress sites or Masher sites. And you can also output in different formats. So if you want to output to a PDF to put in a Google site or Google Drive, very easy to do. You could tag all the articles and send them all to a PDF. You can turn them into Markdown format. You can save them to a docx. You can even create an HTML format that you can put in other items. Misspell that. And you can download the audio recording. So if you're making podcast on a series of articles that you wrote and you're doing full reads on them, tag those articles and just download the audio, and then you can send it up to Spotify or any of your podcast tools. So these are just 12 of the items you can do, and there's more that you can do with AIMasher. It is also a writer, an AI writer, but this is all about Zimmwriter. Zimmwriter does a really good job of writing, and we've made it so easy. You can just select the webhook, and they automatically come into AIMasher for you to do it. So see you on another video. Thank you for watching, and if you want some more information, check out AIMasher.com. Bye-bye.